Hello, this is Connor with Amelia Island Microgreens, and today I'm here with Ginny, who just bought a deluxe kit and seed refills. You told me, Ginny, that you had been sailing for a while. What makes this product really good for that?
Well, there's nothing like sailing. My husband and I lived on a boat for a couple years, but we sailed on boats every weekend for many, many years. And we also chartered boats in other countries and such, but I never saw anything like this. If you're on a sailboat and you're out there for any length of time, you don't have access to fresh greens and fresh food. And this takes no space in a sailboat. You can plant microgreens and keep them on your boat. They're very stable in the containers they come in. Then when you're anchored somewhere, you can put them out where there's some sun. But they grow very fast. They are an incredible source of vitamins and nutrients. And everyone who sails knows it's very hard to go ashore sometimes to get fresh food, and you're relegated to canned food and box food, which is not healthy. Well, this is super healthy. I think the sailing community would love this. I mean, I wish I had had something like this when we were sailing on our boat. We're not anymore. I'm home now and I'm growing them at home, which is great. So my husband and I were shipping shore and we would have been growing these at home and on the boat. They have incredible flavors, the microgreens. Here's wasabi, mustard, broccoli. I mean, it's not just like growing boring old lettuce. You know, you're growing something that's extremely healthy, packed with nutrients.
Up to 40% more nutritious than the mature plant.
Yeah.
So it's even more nutritious because it comes from that seed.
They're beautiful. I mean, you can add them to any food or eat them like a salad. I'm excited about this, and if I were still a sailor, I would be using this and telling everybody I know about microgreens.
That's awesome. And so this is how big the kit would be. We have one that's half this size. So if you do decide that you want something more compact, it would be about that big. Say there were microgreens grown on here, you could even tilt it upside down. And because the microgreens are attached, the root carpet is attached to the bottom of this, it would not fall over. So you can move it around and the microgreens themselves will not fall out, which makes it even more of an amazing thing for someone who's in an RV or in a boat because of how compact and how hardy and how it'll not move around.
It's perfect for a sailboat that's moving around all the time.
Yes.
And you can still grow your microgreens.
I would really just like to thank you for talking to me about this, and it's amazing to hear your story.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.